Welcome, everybody, to this edition of Attention Talk Video. I'm your host, ADHD and Attention Coach Jeff Copper. I'm here today to talk a little bit of a tip. I don't do a lot of tip, tricks, and strategies. I really try to help people problem solve. But one of the things that people struggle with is sometimes putting things away, particularly clothes. And I talk about things that are repetitive and boring tend to be difficult for people with ADHD. Think about it like this. You do your laundry. Usually the issue is not doing the laundry. It's folding the laundry and putting it away. And let's think about that. Let's say you got a shirt. You grab it, you fold it, open a drawer, put that shirt in an already overstuffed drawer, close the drawer, and then go do something else, like maybe fold your pants or something. There's a lot of steps that are involved. Because there's a lot of tedious steps, it's uncomfortable. People with ADHD, when they're bored, they're physically uncomfortable. It takes a lot of cognitive energy to sit in that discomfort. And so what they do is they bounce off. If you've got a lot of clothes and you have to put them on a hanger, that can be helpful. Or what I do often is I'll take my clothes and I'll roll them. All right. I'll roll them, roll more, and then go and put them in the drawer altogether. What that does is reduce the number of steps necessary to put the clothes away. Now, this won't work for everybody, but will work for some. And I'll tell you, for me, it really, really helps when I'm packing in a suitcase. Having the layers and sifting through it's difficult, but rolling the clothes just makes it easier for me. So anyway, if this speaks to you, give it a shot. With that, if you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also, thoughts? Do you already roll your clothes, or do you have any other ideas? Lastly, we certainly appreciate any contribution by hitting the thanks button. So with that, we hope you've enjoyed this edition of Attention Talk Video. Take care.